Carabao. If it's black, it's Carabao. Look at the young bell.
Baya may mari pwede hindi ng
Kaya
beling
goat.
kambing.
Tune in, we find out where...
It's a cow or it's a goat. Good morning! So laking kabilang line din, girls. Sumangit line. Sorry, Kong Ray J. So kami ganing Lubao for
The Philippine International Lubao Hot Air Balloon Festival. Music festival and at the same time Hot Air Balloon Fest.
Kung bisa kayong mag-chill Kenny hanggang Hot Air ating wake park.
So as usual, late kami. Dakala salamat Estex.
Baby, huwag ka nang mag-alim. Sir, basta mo, Tuner. Salit ka ng bag mo.
Dakala salamat to the organizers of Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival 2019 for inviting we the local.
Uy guys, ating kain oh, big horse. Camel. Alright.
Uling ka na nga, this maybe get up close and personal with the balloons.
Pamanagkas ka!
Eh, yun talaga yung pangarap ko yung BM, makatalan kong hot air balloon. Hala, balloon!
Hala, balloon!
So, let's go. Let's find out na nung atin. Hala, balloon!
This cut is fresh.
Love, sumulat ka lang. Love, galing man. Sumulat ka.
Aray, din musak na ako yung busit.
1, 2! It's a
Snow bear.
snow bear.
Ito mo na rin manok mo.
Bye, Chicken Joy! Bye!
Sapungan
Baka
lo.
pag may sapungan lang, mga ano. Pagka lang mag-traffic yung babo, lala.
Siya na mag-traffic. Buwan mo. Hi! Hi!
Tell us, Nanita. Over there, that big one.
That's unidentified flying object. It's
Ay, titang stroller.
One eh. I should know.
baby stroller.
I should know.
It's not just a balloon festival, Kenny. Ating theme park, ating rides, atin. Ating pipamyalungan karenganak. So, kid-friendly. And, take note, ating pipanganan. Ating concert po Bengi, so check it out. Next year, 2020.
Mag-rehearse this band, guys. Mag-rehearse yes. Oh, bakit ba kailangan mga umalis? Ano ba yun? Isipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Oh, bakit ba kailangan
One week later.
Empire Events Management Partner.
At yung kengin ni King Hot Air Balloon, Kening Clark. Atin na Hot Air Balloon, Murin Kening Clark. Aside from Lubao, nanang kay Lubao, Hot Air Balloon Festival yan. Lubao International Balloon and Music Festival. So, happy na yung part 2. Ala ko kaya last time pero alis ngayon na chuka kami gani. Igay mga luwalay sila ng poy mix.
Malasing la.
Kaya bemi pa rin ni Pugi. Yan, so at chuka kami ngayon ni King. Nani bete ni ba? Hot Air Balloon. Hot Air Balloon Fiesta Clark.
Dakala salamat kang SM kasi may miya ka rin tickets me. As always, thank you very much SM Civic Park.
Always.
Nanong nga attempt mo ngayon eh? Nanong nga attempt mo?
Ala pang ginawa kayo ni. Hanggang Pampanga, Lubao o no ka rin man bansa king yato. Ala pang sinakeking babaw na ning Hot Air Balloon. Kenny mo gawan. Exclusive. Para kaya kay ni SM.
Agitin eh.
Itong pangandaman ko, malisangan.
Wow, uli sa meron diyang abak. Dito ang kikini ng oras, mga 5:30, makanya 5 o'clock. Pero malisangan pa rin.
Malisangan.
Ambing mapayakat.
Supposedly, hindi naman matuloy eh. Hindi naman malaos, supposedly. Uning,
Tama ka niyan?
pero siguro 3 months before naning event. inorganize de. Toret ang balloon sa ikit yung a few minutes ago keng Lubao. Ila mo rin dito nga Chugeni. Same pilot, same everything. Uita mo pinela makasulag po geni uling
Yung airspace na nini pang airport siya.
pang airport na. So dakal na masyadong flights coming in and out of Clark, and that's a good thing.
Puro sabihan dara kag turista mag-booming economy kini ang pagigana-gana. Kon buri may akit full blast.
Itang flight, itang nung buri mo ngagit sulag po lang matos sa matos.